Hi, this is Rob from Stratford Dental. Just going to introduce you to the Injex needle-free anaesthetic technique. This is the device here, and what we do is we charge it in our charging device, like that. And then we have the little syringe that we put the anaesthetic in, which has a tiny little hole just in the top. There's no needle there at all, there's no sharpness, just a tiny little hole in the top. And what it does is the little bit of anaesthetic that goes in there, it just fires it straight through the gum. So we load up some anaesthetic. Just give it a little twist. Just pop in a little bit of juice there. And then we pop that into there, and then a little bit of a soft silicone cover just to create a nice bit of sponginess on there, and then we flick the thing across to get it into active mode, and then I'll use this fish just to demonstrate what happens on gums there. So we give it a little click and it fires it in, and there we go, fires it straight into the foam there.